How's it going, everyone? Scott McKay here from Airbrush Down Dirty Tricks and Thin Air Graphics. Super excited to be coming to the International Airbrush Days in Germany. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time since I've seen it over the years. And this year's got a tremendous group of artists, and I'm super excited to join the team, come do some really cool workshops and demonstrations. I'm going to be mixing up some of my automotive graphic techniques, my illustration, how I develop projects from using technologies and traditional techniques and mashing them together, and problem solving. And that's my big thing is I look at paintings and I look at artwork, whether it's motorcycles, illustrations, t-shirts. How can I get the job done in an efficient way possible with using great techniques? And that's what I'm going to be teaching in my demonstrations. Most of the time, my projects will have an element of freehand, because I'm really big on freehand, an element of plotter to make things more efficient for repetitive tasks, things like that, and traditional masking techniques. And possibly, I think we're going to throw in some also mini painting and tabletop gaming techniques and things like that for these guys here, which I love doing. So maybe we'll throw a little bit of that in and just have a great time. So I'm really looking forward to this journey and these workshops. I got some really good things planned. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you come out and check out the rest of the team. There's just some amazing talent and some really great people, and the hosts are top notch, and all the sponsors. Can't thank everyone enough. See you guys soon.